The 2025 Bugatti stands as a symbol of elegance, engineering mastery, and sheer automotive power. From the very first glance, it captures attention with its aerodynamic silhouette, a design sculpted not only to look beautiful but to enhance performance at every level. The side profile of the car reflects a seamless fusion of art and science, with every curve carefully engineered to cut through the air with precision. The glossy white paintwork adds an aura of sophistication, making the car appear like a work of art gliding on the streets. Bugatti has always been known for combining extreme speed with ultimate luxury, and the 2025 model continues that tradition with a refreshed vision of the future. It is not just a car, it is an experience that redefines what driving truly means. The interior is where Bugatti truly sets itself apart. Sliding into the front seats, you are welcomed into a world of craftsmanship that feels futuristic yet timeless. The dashboard is a masterpiece, glowing with advanced digital displays and cutting-edge technology while still retaining the elegance of luxury finishes. Carbon fiber, polished chrome, and hand-stitched leather come together to create a cabin that feels both modern and classic. The steering wheel, bearing the iconic Bugatti emblem, is sculpted to perfection, designed to give the driver full control while reminding them they are in command of one of the most powerful machines in existence. Ambient lighting runs subtly across the cabin, adding to the futuristic atmosphere, while the diamond-stitched seats provide both comfort and exclusivity. Performance is, of course, the heart of this machine. The 2025 Bugatti carries forward the brand's legacy of producing cars that break boundaries. Beneath the hood lies a powerhouse of engineering excellence, a finely tuned engine capable of delivering blistering speed while maintaining stability and control. The acceleration is instant and thrilling, pushing the driver back into their seat with every press of the pedal. Yet, despite this immense power, the car remains surprisingly refined, offering smooth handling and precise responsiveness that make it equally suitable for long journeys or high-speed runs. This dual character of being both a beast on the track and a graceful cruiser on the road is what makes Bugatti truly unique. The rear view of the car is as captivating as the front. With futuristic tail lights, a bold stance, and a design that highlights both power and luxury, it commands respect from every angle. Every detail has been meticulously crafted, from the exhaust outlets to the flowing lines of the body, ensuring that the car looks like it is in motion even when standing still. The 2025 Bugatti is not just about speed, it is about presence, a presence that leaves a lasting impression wherever it goes. Owning such a car is more than just a privilege, it is a statement of passion, status, and appreciation for the finest things in life. The 2025 Bugatti is a celebration of innovation and tradition, a machine that carries forward the legacy of one of the most prestigious names in automotive history while setting new standards for the future. It is not just transportation, it is pure emotion on wheels.